Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me ask you three questions. How many of you exactly know which skills you need for your next career move? How many of you have felt overwhelmed by the thousands of courses available online? And how many wish you had a personalized guide for your career development? Yes, this is exactly the problem we are solving today. In today's rapidly evolving job market, 73% of professionals feel they are falling behind on skills. Why? Because traditional career development has three critical failures. Failure number one, the clarity gap. Most people don't know what they don't know. So you might be great at Python, but have no idea you're missing the critical skills like AWS that your dream job requires. Failure number two, the guidance gap. The generic advice like learn data science now, all these are useless. Which data science, what tools, in what order? See, without personal direction, you waste months on irrelevant courses. And failure number three, the progress gap. How do you know if you're actually getting the job ready? Without tracking and feedback, you're learning blindly, hoping it's the right path, but ended up going nowhere. So this confusion cost the professionals around 6 to 12 months of their wasted time, thousands in wrong courses and countless missed opportunity, and ended up being in a wrong path and choosing wrong career.
To solve this is why we built SkillGap Finder. Think of it as your AI career copilot. Instead of guessing, you get clarity, an exact diagnosis of your current skills versus job requirements, direction, a personalized learning roadmap tailored to your gaps, tracking, real-time progress monitoring to ensure you are job ready. It transforms career development from guesswork to precision. How? Through three intelligent engines. The Skill Intelligence Engine analyzes your resume to understand your starting point. The Gap Analysis Engine compares your skills against industry benchmarks. And the last, the Learning Orchestra, creates and adapts your personalized learning plan. Let me show you how it works.
This is our Skill Gap Finder, the AI powered career intelligence. When you press the app icon, you will reach this as the home screen. So, what it is? This is our home screen, which we are trying to give a nice and good user experience. It's a good user interface where you can see the home page like this. In the home page itself, we have give six features of our app. Then we have give three steps what have to be done in this app, how to get results in this app, and also I will now demonstrate you how this app works. So imagine you are Sarah, a marketing professional wanting to transition to data analysis. She is overwhelmed. Let's see how SkillGap Finder helps her. You have to start by clicking in Start Free Analysis. You have to create your account here. I'm Sarah. Sarah and email us Sarah Johnson at gmail.com. And password I'm giving us Sarah Johnson. Have created an account. Second, we have to upload our resume here. See, our AI extracts everything, not just the technical skills, but experience levels, tools, soft skills, and everything. Now, Sarah is uploading her CV. Sarah Johnson uploaded. Now, what's her target role? Our app has six different roles. Yet Sarah wants to be in transition to data analysis or data analyst. We are analyzing her resume. Boom, the magic is done. Sarah, being a marketing professional, doesn't have that much skills as data analyst to be a data analyst. So her skill fit score says just 10% and a room to grow. The math skills out of already 10 skills which is required for a data analysis, her math skill is only one and 9 skills to learn. This is the skill breakdown. Your only strength isn't this. We have your 9 skills to develop are SQL, Python, Tableau, Power BI, statistics, data visualization, Excel, Google Analytics, and problem solving. Now, Sarah got her weakness. What to do? Second, learning path. So if you go to learning path, first we have, I'll explain about the report now. First, if you go to the learning app, learning path, you can see all the skills here. All the skills it's mentioned here. How much weeks it takes. Every skills it takes 2 to 3 weeks to develop. What are the recommended resources we are providing? We are providing YouTube for SQL for beginners and also course for SQL bootcamp. What will happen if you press YouTube SQL for beginners? Let's see. It takes you directly to the YouTube where we can see lots of SQL videos. We recommend taking first two for that. Second, we are coming back to the app. Then if you take the course, it takes you directly to the Udemy where you can search the courses. Then each course takes, and also they have given the how many weeks it takes. That is the learning part. What is this learning roadmap download report? Because we don't want you to keep signing in the app itself. So download report, download in PDF, use it offline, and have progress. Now, what is the next feature? That is a role compare. Sarah have to learn 9 skills. What do you know now? We now can select some other roles also. So I'm selecting some different, three different roles, and I'm just comparing. See what says. Nothing is matching Sarah, but I'm selecting. Now see, so Sarah can't go be a front-end developer from a marketing, no scope. Whereas in data scientist, because he has some skills, 13%, which means market demand is very critical for data scientists. And because skills are also mentioned here. Now, third, the last feature is my progress. Learning progress tracker. This tracker says how much you're learning actually. Can't be lazy here, yes? So the 9 skills are which have to be mastered are in here. So if you learn each skills one by one, the overall progress will increase like percentage wise. If you go bottom, the number of skills already mastered, skills remaining, and skills learned. Everything is demonstrated is given here. That's how our app works. Now I will log out.
Now, I'll briefly explain how we build this. The brains, Google's Gemini AI powers our analysis and recommendations. The framework, React/Next.js for a seamless user experience. The intelligence, custom algorithms for skill matching and gap analysis. The security, enterprise grade authentication and data protection. But the real innovation isn't technical, it's in simplifying complexity. We take messy career problems and give clear, actionable solutions. So, why does this matter? For professionals, we save 6 plus months of wasted time and thousands in wrong courses. For students, we graduate job ready with a clear path to employment. And for companies, we get candidates who are actually prepared for the role. This isn't another learning platform, this is a career navigating platform system. The future of work isn't about more information, it's about the right information. SkillGap Finder turns career development from overwhelming to achievable, from confusing to clear, and from hoping to knowing. Thank you.